Good morning, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to another daily crypto tech review of EOS, Ethereum and Ripple. It's the 2nd of June and let's dive straight in. Looking at EOS, US dollar, the early part of the morning and the 1 hour candlesticks, we saw yesterday's upward momentum continue with EOS striking early high 284.36 before pulling back. We're going to need to see EOS steer clear of sub 280s and the pivot level at 277.60 to support another run at the first major resistance level that sits at 288.60. Support from the broader market is going to be needed to break out for the early morning high, however. Failure to hold above 280 would see EOS slide back through the pivot level. That would bring the first major support level into play, which sits at 271.35. We would expect EOS to steer clear of 260 levels, however, in the event of a marked pullback, with the second major support level at 2603 sitting there to provide support. It's been a mixed start today for Ethereum, which struck an early morning high 249.26 before pulling back. We're going to need to see Ethereum move through to 250 levels, however, to support a run at the first major resistance level that sits at 256.38. Support's going to be needed for Ethereum to break out from Monday's high 251.46. And barring another breakout, we're going to expect the first major resistance level and the 23.6% fib at 257 to limit the upside on the day. Failure to move through to 250 could see Ethereum hit reverse. A fall through the pivot at 243.50 would bring the first major support level 235 into play. Barring an extended pullback, however, we'd expect Ethereum to steer clear of sub 240s on the day. And finally, looking at Ripple, similar trend seen through the morning, an early morning high 21.169 before easing back. Going to need to see Ripple avoid sub 2085 levels to support a run at the first major resistance level at 21.58. Support's going to be needed, however, to break out from Monday's high. Failure to move up through the early morning high and a fall through the pivot level would bring the first major support level into play, which sits at 2039. We should see Ripple stay clear of sub 20 levels, however, and the second major support level 1966. There's no major fundamental drivers through the morning, upward momentum, though there is some chatter of China and friction with the US driving demands for cryptos, with the economic uncertainty supporting the alternative asset class.